The most memorable lesson in first quarter for me is about asking for permission because I applied in various situations and I use in my everyday conversation. The most memorable lesson in second quarter is type of social issue, including age discrimination, gender discrimination, and poverty. Because as a human being, we need to have an equal perspective on others. We should avoid judging people based on their physical appearance. The memorable lesson I learned in third quarter is about prejudice and bias because it's that we all have them. Often without realizing it, recognizing and challenging these biases is key to treating others fairly and fostering understanding. The memorable lesson I learned in fourth quarter is social, moral, and economic issues because it is how deeply they all connected. Economic inequality often lead to social injustice, and our moral value should guide for decisions. It is a reminder that true progress must consider both fairness. I think the most evident issue in the Philippines is about the case of our former President Rodrigo Duterte because he was arrested by the Philippines authorities and surrendered the International Criminal Court due to the crime against humanity. The challenges I have encountered in English class is role play, about counterclaim and claim. Our group decided to have a debate. This activity was very challenging for me because this is my first time to participate in a debate. I have to memorize my script. I'm so happy because our group got a high grade in a debate. Hi Ma'am Jo, this message is for you. So I know this is the last quarter, but I want you to know that you are the best teacher. You taught us very well even if you were strict, you can handle the class easily. You inspired us to be a good student. All the good things that you taught us will not forgotten. Thank you very much, Ma'am.